fucking love it. What the fuck? 125? Is that a lawnmower? And that is a fucking baby. That is a baby. They literally have a diaper on. Adam on traffic with a lawnmower, postal 287, stage me 32. Don't send him quite yet though. That is a extremely deep voice for a baby.
Ooh, God.
Hey buddy, do you know how fast you're going?
12.
12? Oh, you're pretty ugly. Oh my god.
Ooh, God.
Okay, drop the gun. Do not fucking move! Adam, when you can roll me that 32. Now I got shots fired. One suspect down, postal 287. Also, start me an ambo. Do not move!